Hi, I'm Theo. I'm going to give you tutorials on how to fill VZW's tax on Biztax. These are the items you may need when you want to fill the Biztax. First, you need a Belgium identity card with your PIN code. Be careful, the PIN code, when you key in 3 times and it's wrong, it will be blocked. You go to the commune before you get another one, so be 100% sure that your code is correct before you come in. You also need a card leaser. This is whereby we put in the identity card to read your file. You can get one from any of these computer shops or Bruno and all those. It's not too much expensive. I think it ranges between 8 and 15 euros. So each association can have one. You may need your association's registration number. That is the undernaming's number, and it's always at the top of the paper they send to you from the monitor board. Don't forget it. Without that one, we cannot enter into the system. And you will need the financial statement for the association for the period you are going to fill the tax form. We are now filling 2019, so your association will need a financial statement for the year 2018. Please save it a PDF because the system will not accept anything apart from a PDF format. Yeah, so these are the basic things you will need. And of course, you may need a computer or laptop with an internet connection. So these are the basic things. Now, you first go to Google or any of the search engines, and then you type Biztax. When you get that one, you click on it, and then you get the Biztax stroke FOD financing. That is the site for the Biztax. You click on it, it will open. So now you are the page of the Biztax. When you get there, you click Unmelden. It is at the right hand side of your computer. That's the first line. You click on that Biztax. So you are still there, it opens. So now it gives you an instructions how you can enter the system. Either you enter through your ID card or you enter with a commercial certificate. But normally we go in with our ID cards. You connect the card reader to your laptop or the desktop. When you connect it, you see that there will be a green light there. That shows that the card reader is working and is connected. Then you insert your identity card, the Belgian identity card. When you are inserting it, you put in where the chip is, like this. You put it in. So you see that the red and light will be blinking. Now it stopped. So we have the green and the red light both on, which means the card reader is connected. Then you click on the Unmelden. So now you see that the diagram is shown on the screen. It shows you how it is done. Then you click Unmelden again. When you put it in and then you click the Unmelden. Now on the screen we've got that the Unmelden is mislooked. That is, it couldn't go through. So under you see that it is written download the EID software. So you click on that one. You have to download it because I think on this laptop it's not there. So it's free. The software is free. When you get that one and then you download the software, you go back. When the second time you try and it's mislooked, just disconnect it and then reconnect it. You will get it. So now you see that when you put the card in and it's connected and then you click OK, it asks for your PIN code. The PIN code of your Belgian identity card is what you have to key in there. So now you have two options to ask you whether you are opening it in your own name or you are opening it for another organization. You have to click the the first one, in eigen naam. Yeah, and then you come to the right side, you click next, that is volgende. So now home page of Biztax. On the left side, you see the logo of Biztax. We have Netherlands, France, and then Dutch. So normally I do it in Netherlands. So I click on the NL. So the information there is in Netherlands. Then under that we have 4 different options. The first one is mijn aangefikten. Opladen aangefikten, nuttige informatie and gebruiksinformatie. So you click on the first one, mijn aangefikten. When you click on it, the file will open. You have a blank space there. Now you're going to fill it. Under it is asking you whether you are searching for a tax form which is already filled or you want to do a new one. Because you've not filled anything, you click on the andere aangefikte aanmaken. That is, you are making a new tax declaration. So you click on that one. So the first one is ondernemingsnummer. That is the registration number for the association. So you put that one in there. And then the year that you are doing the tax. That is the belastbaar tijdperk van. That is the period starts from 1st January till 31st December each year. So this one we are doing it for 1st January 2018. When you click on the peg, you can get the calendar there, but it will be easier even if you can just put in the figures. 1/1/2018. And then the next line is up to when, like I first explained, it's from 1st January 2018 till 31st December 2018. So you see that it's taught. You click on the peg there, there's a calendar also there, you can find it. And then if you like, you just click it and you see that December is there. So you click on December, the date is 31st, you click on that one, and then the year should be 2018. You go to the right side of the form. The last part is written aangefikte, and then there is VENB. Don't take that one. Click on the peg there. You find 2 other abbreviations. The last one is the one you have to pick, RPB. That is for the non-profit making associations. When you get this, then you click Aanmaken under the blank space you just filled. Now, the file is open. So you see that we have ID, that's ID, the identity. The next line is 276.5.A. That is aangifte declaration. And then the next one is 276.5B. And then you have 274APT-B. What you have to do is, the first one is already open. That is where we're going to fill it. We are going to fill in some information. There are information which is already filled. The name of the association is there already. The undernemings number is there already. And then the form of organization, that is VZW, is also there already. So you don't have to do anything about that. And then the address, the seat of the association, the maatschappelijk zetel, is already filled. So you don't have to do anything about it. And there are blank spaces there for the IBAN, that is the bank account and all those stuff. That one you don't bother, they have it already. So don't waste much time on it. The tax starting is also written there. Everything is there. So the next one, you come to the next part is the contact persons, the havens van the contact person. The tax office can contact that person's details. So the first one is, you click there and then you just click on it, havens van the aangifte inkomstenbelasting. That is what, it's only one, so you click on that one. So you have to fill in the names. The first one is the name of the person, the contact person. So I'm doing it. My name is Kuma Opoku. And then they will ask for your voornaam. You have to bring that one too also. So I put my voornaam, and then they will ask for my position in the association. I just write a bestuurder. Yeah. Now I have to come to the next column, that is my address. So here they will ask you if the address you are going to use is the official address for the association, or the address whereby they can do correspondence with you, or your own Woon Plus address. Normally we put the physical Woon Plus address because that is where the letters will come to you, so that we can see if there is anything wrong. So here I have to fill in the name of my street, the number, and then the postcode, and then they ask if my address is in Belgium here or is in Ghana. So you have to put where the address is. When you come to the postcode, there's a search logo there. Just click on it. When you click on it, a page will open for you which contains all the various postcodes in Belgium. Mine is 1970, Wizenberg Oppum. So you scroll it down, and then when you arrive at your postcode, then you click on it. When you get it, then you click OK. Then the next line, they ask you which country, land. And automatically they should have known that Wizenberg is here, but still they are demanding. So you click on the search logo there, and then a new page will open for you, whereby you have all the countries of the world listed there. So you scroll it. Wizenberg Oppum is in Belgium, so you see that Belgium is there. You click on it, and then you click OK. So you finish with your address. So the next thing they are asking is your email address, if you have it. It's not compulsory, not for Klik, but you can also put it. I put my email address there. So you don't have to do anything at 276.5a. Don't do anything there. You click on it. They are asking some questions which involves money, and all those items they are asking, none of the associations has anything to do. If you have a property, like say if the association has a property, a building or something like that in Belgium or outside, the income that you get is where what you have to put it there. But we don't have that one, so there's no need of going to that page at all. So you can go straight away to 276.5b, that is Bijlagen Annex. So here is where you have to attach the financial statement of the association, and it should be in a PDF form. If you do it in another form, it won't go. So you do it in a PDF form. So you've saved your financial statement on your computer already. So where it is written year reckoning, you have two Wochen there. You click on it, and then it takes you to your computer or your USB where you have the financial statement, and then you upload it. When you upload it, that is it. It will show that you've uploaded the financial statement. Now you have to check if everything is correct before you sign after uploading the financial statement. So now we go back to see, we have to check. So we are going to check for the fault. So it's fault and last. You click on that. When you click on it, it will ask you to start controlling. So you click fault and control. It takes some few seconds or minutes. It depends if there are a lot of errors in your tax declaration. If there are a lot of errors, it will take about 2, 3, 4 minutes, and it will bring out all the errors. It will state to you that there are errors so and so go back to the page. But if there is no error, it will be written that they did not see any error. So here we are lucky, it says geen fouten gevonden. That means they did not see anything. So if you see this one, you are almost finished. The last thing you should do is you go there and you see that it is written undertekening. That is, you are going to sign. If you click on that, it will ask you that, are you sure you want to sign in? If you say yes, there's an arrow there with a box you have to tick that I declare that the information I've given is correct. If you click on that one and then you click on versenden, automatically the form will go to the FOD. So there is nothing you can do about it again. The next page you see is the bewijs van the ontvangen bewijs. That is the proof that you've sent it. So you click on it and then you print that proof and then you keep it for your own records. So that is how it is. It's not too difficult. In the beginning, when you are trying some of the search engines, you can't get it easily, but especially with Chrome and Firefox, it's much easier than using Explorer. So if you try with Explorer and you don't get it, please, I would advise you to go for Firefox or Chrome, and that is how it goes. Thank you very much. I hope you can make it on your own next time. If any further questions, you can contact us at the Secretariat.